Welcome! In this lesson, we will solve 8 classic word problems using the highest common factor and the least common multiple. We will move step by step and keep the visuals simple and clear. Key idea: if a question says greatest length, largest measure, or maximum capacity that divides exactly, think highest common factor. If a question says least time together, or least quantity that fits all, think least common multiple. Problem 1. Greatest length of a wooden scale that measures 540 centimeters and 360 centimeters exactly. That means highest common factor. We factor both numbers. Pick the common primes with the smallest powers. Multiply to get the highest common factor of 180 centimeters. Problem 2. Greatest number that divides 232 leaving 7 and 305 leaving 5. Subtract the remainders first. Compute 232 minus 7 and 305 minus 5. Now find highest common factor of those results. So the greatest number is 75. Problem 3. Largest number dividing 245 and 1029, leaving remainder 5 each time. Subtract 5 from both numbers. Find the highest common factor of 240 and 1024. That gives 16. Problem 4. 2 tankers, 600 liters and 570 liters. Find the maximum container capacity that measures either exactly. That is highest common factor. Factor both numbers and choose common primes with the smallest powers. The container size is 30 liters. Problem 5. A room has length 8 meters, breadth 6 meters, and height 4 meters. What is the longest tape that measures all three exactly? We take the highest common factor of 8, 6, and 4. The only common prime is 2 to the power 1. So the answer is 2 meters. Problem 6. 3 bells ring every 5, 10, and 15 minutes, and they start at 8 a.m. When will they ring together again? That is least common multiple. The least common multiple of 5, 10, and 15 is 30 minutes. So they meet again at 8:30 a.m. Problem 7. Find the least number that leaves remainder 9 when divided by 30, 45, and 60. We first find the least common multiple. The least common multiple is 180. Add the remainder 9. So the least number is 189. Problem 8. Find the least quantity of milk measured exactly by buckets of 12, 16, and 24 liters. That is a least common multiple. Compute the least common multiple using prime powers. So the least quantity is 48 liters. Quick summary. Problems 1 through 5 used the highest common factor, and problems 6 through 8 used the least common multiple. Practice spotting the keywords so you immediately know whether to use common factor or common multiple.